Find or read reviews that people are talking about Uoark Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, Robotic Pool Vacuum Automatic Cleaning. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Robot Pool Vacuum. With a wireless design that eliminates the constraints of wires, it is more free and safe to use. It is easy and convenient to operate, with just one click to start, and can be put into the pool to start working. It is very suitable for both above-ground and underground swimming pools. Self-parking. When the battery is low or the cleaning cycle ends, the robot swimming pool cleaner will stop near the pool wall and can also clean flat swimming pools with slopes below 18 to 25 degrees. Strong suction and efficient filtration. Equipped with dual-drive motors. It has strong suction and can quickly remove various types of dirt such as sand, leaves, floating objects, and small particles in the swimming pool, effectively purifying the water quality of the pool and keeping it clear and clean. Easy to use and maintain. Please read the user manual before first use. Long press the power button and throw it into the swimming pool to start working automatically. The body is made of waterproof and corrosion-resistant materials, with high-level waterproof performance. The filter, brush, and other components are easy to disassemble and clean. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.